Okay, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the "oh my god, I didn't save." Oh well. So here is the thing. There's a plugin that can help you auto backup your files so that even when you do not click save or you do not do stop editing, toggle editing, it auto backs up. Here is it. Plugins, go to plugins, manage and install plugins. Make sure you have your internet connection on so that you don't get stuck here. Click on all here, not installed, on all, and search auto. As you can see, mine is already auto. So you can see automatic backup, you can see auto saver. Both work very fine. Both work very fine. So when you install it, apparently you see there are 186,000 people who knew this before you and I. So when you install it, you close. You also install this if you want. You can install either or both. Anyone works fine. Either or both. So here's the thing you have to set. Okay, on your plugins toolbar, right click. You see plugins toolbar. Yes, check this box so that you find the plugin on your toolbar here. So click on autosave current projects. Oh yeah, it just opened already. So you click on autosave current project. There you see enable autosaver, yes. Autosave to in alternate backup file. What this does is that it creates a backup file .bak and saves it in the folder where your original folder is. So you can do this if you want. Otherwise, you can uncheck this box. Unchecking this box now means that it saves to the original file which you are working with. The good thing about the extra file is that if there are changes that you do not want to save, you will not save them. Yeah, but the backup file is there for you. That's the point. Then auto save layers in edit modes, that explains itself. You can set the interval time in minutes to 10 minutes or 5 minutes as the case may be, or even a minute. When you're done, you click on OK. For the other plugin, which is the automatic backup, that was the autosaver. It's basically the same thing. Enable automatic backup, save layers in edit mode, save in alternate file. If you select this option, then you can go ahead to change the select the directory of choice. Otherwise, then you can also see maximum number of records which it saves because it's just the way it is. So then you set interval time, you can set 1 minute or 10 minutes, and that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you in the next